Hello and welcome back to 5 Minute Guide. I'm Kyle, and today we're going to just do some more quick keys in Blender. So first things first, we have a little cube here to edit. And okay, so let's just do a quick key. Let's just move this. So let's hit G. The G is for grab, and you can move it around wherever you want it. Also, if you select, we can do two different types of select. If you hit B, B will create a square, and you can select different points within that square. Or you can, we've already gone over this one, but if you hold Control and then left click, you can click and drag and select the vertices or faces or lines that you are looking for. So or you can also hold Control and just click the different vertices that you want. Now there's other little quick keys here. You can just stretch this box out on the Z-axis if you wish that way, or if say you want it to be like a separate block on top of it, it's actually just pulling up from it. It's E for extrude, and it will pull this surface off of the whole cube. So just hit E and then just pull up. Now you can change that to the different vertices. It's automatically set to go on the Z-axis, but if you hit X, it'll move it on the X-axis, or if you hit Y, it'll move it on the Y-axis. And that's true for all of these other things that we're going to talk about today as well. So if we want to scale this top part, now that we have it portioned, we hit S for scale. It's all fairly intuitive, and it automatically just scales everything from the center point. But say we want to scale it on the Y-axis, it'll just scale on the Y-axis, or the X-axis, just scale on the X-axis. And same thing with Z-axis, which since it's a flat on the Z, there's nothing to scale. So we'll just leave that scaled up a little bit. Now let's rotate. For this, it's probably better. I mean, I can show you this way, I guess. We'll rotate these 4 vertices, and it's just kind of all wonky and wibbly wobbly, timey-wimey. And I mean, obviously, if this is the effect that you're looking for, then that's great. But if you want it a bit more precise, you can select the vertices that you want it to twist on. So the Z-axis, on the Y-axis, or the X-axis. And you can do like a little bit of the X-axis and then click on it to, save the position or whatever, rotate again, and then do the Y-axis. And so, you have a lot of range of play for that. Now, okay, there's one more thing that you should probably be aware of. As I'm like moving all of these objects and scaling them and everything else, there's these numbers that show up down here. And as I'm moving them, they're moving as well. So a good thing to remember is that if you want something even, like say we want to scale out both these sides, there is a way to do it where it mirrors it and whatnot. But there's also another way that you can make sure it's right. So let's extrude this on the X-axis, and then watch the numbers down in the left-hand corner. And you see, like right there, it's at 1 roughly. Well, if you hold Control, it'll jump by 1 increment. So you can get it a bit more exact. And then if you want, while holding Control, you can hit Shift, and it'll go up by 1 decimal point after that. So you can get a bit more control that way. So let's do this at, let's say 5, and then we can do this one here. We can extrude that in the X, and we can come out 5 as well, and they are even. So that's just some quick keys, some real quick things, just getting geared up for some other tutorials that we're going to be working on here in a bit. So hope you found this useful, and if you did, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. All right, this is Kyle with 5 Minute Guide.